Every year, smartphone brands update or remodel their flagship lineups to bring the greatest and leading technology to consumers. But as time goes on, some models stand the test of time and remain great choice even after newer models have been released. And as expected, previous or old generation phones will either get a price cut or have a better value in the second-hand market. Hey everyone, Earl here, Hugo Tech, and let's talk about some of the 2022 flagship models that are still worthy to have this year. I know that Apple has yet to announce the iPhone 15 series later this year, but do hear me out. The iPhone 14 series has been released for quite a while now. The vanilla iPhone 14, the iPhone 14 Plus, and the Pro models, which is the iPhone 14 Pro and the 14 Pro Max. What sets the iPhone 14 Pro apart from its siblings is that it represents the ideal Apple flagship. It boasts the most powerful chip yet, the A16 Bionic, compared to the standard models which only had the A15 chipset. We actually published an article discussing why you should not buy the standard iPhone 14s, and the chipset is just one of the several factors. Also, the iPhone 14 Pro is not that significantly different from the Max variant, with just a slightly more compact screen size of 6.1 inch compared to 6.7 inches. The rest of their features are pretty much the same, making the iPhone 14 Pro a more sensible choice since it has a relatively lower price tag, especially in the second-hand market. You can get the decent iPhone 14 Pro at around 50,000 pesos for the 128GB storage variant, while you can get a much better deal when you know how to haggle. Yeah, I know, 50k is 50k, but hey, it is still far from 70,000 pesos price tag for the brand new iPhone 14 Pro. The Asus ROG Phone 7 is just right around the corner, but the ROG Phone 6 series is still an absolute beast in 2023. Its vanilla variant, the Phone 6, is already rocking it with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip that's powerful and responsive, making it perfect for running demanding apps and games, as it should be, since it's a gaming phone after all. Plus, its AMOLED screen with 165Hz refresh rate is totally smooth and will make your scrolling and gaming experience even better. And let's not forget about its capable triple-rear cameras featuring a 50MP main, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 15MP macro. Perhaps the best thing about this phone is its battery life. With its massive 6000 mAh cell combined with advanced features like steady charging and bypass charging, you can ensure that your battery lasts longer and performs better. It also supports 65W fast charging, which can charge up your phone in just 42 minutes from 0 to 100%. There's also a built-in thermal fan to keep it cool even during intense gaming sessions, and physical buttons to control all your mobile games. One interesting feature of this phone is its subtle gaming aesthetics. It only has a distinctive ROG logo on the back with minimal splatters of gaming design cues throughout the shell and frame. The Asus ROG Phone 6 offers this wide range of features with a second-hand value of around 35,000 pesos. Still a huge savings when you get a brand new model, as it is still priced at 47,995 pesos. Next up on this list is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Despite being released in early 2022, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is a flagship phone that continues to be great in 2023. Yeah, it might be your typical flagship powerhouse of a device. It's undoubtedly a strong contender, especially with a sweet longer software support, and its price got lower as of filming of this video, at least according to Samsung's official site. The device's screen is not only large and gorgeous, but it's also a true nightmare for glare thanks to its dynamic AMOLED 2X display. With a peak brightness of 1750 nits, you can enjoy an immersive viewing experience without a hassle under the sun. Plus, 120Hz adaptive refresh rate ensures scrolling and optimized viewing no matter what's on the screen. Under the hood is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip, and it's powerful as you expect. Not only does the phone boast a quad camera setup, but its 108MP main lens is also capable of bringing you stunning night videography. And let's not forget about that 100x zoom, which works like magic. Additionally, the built-in S Pen is a unique feature that lets you do more on your phone, especially for people who likes taking notes or love to draw. Samsung's One UI is not only visually appealing, but like I said, it also provides a longer software support, meaning you can enjoy latest updates and features for probably until 2026 based on their 4-year OS update policy. And like most devices, especially Android ones, the value can depreciate at a snap even if it was just released a year ago. Lucky for you, you can get the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra at a very affordable price tag of around 35,000 pesos in the second-hand market. Next up on this list is the Xiaomi 12 Pro. Although the Xiaomi 12S Ultra has far more to offer, is not yet available here in the Philippines, but the Xiaomi 12 Pro still ticks a lot of boxes of being a flagship device. Firstly, this device boasts a solid camera department with all 3 rear lenses, including the main, ultra-wide, and telephoto lens having a 50-megapixel count. The Sony IMX707 main camera with a larger sensor captures up to 120% more light and far more details in night photography. The Xiaomi 12 Pro is equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor with liquid cool technology. Its cooling system consists of an ultra-thin 2900 square millimeter vapor chamber, which is larger than any previous models, and 3 layers of massive graphite sheets that efficiently reduces the core temperature. The Xiaomi 12 Pro's display panel is a standout feature with a 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED display that applies an adaptive refresh rate feature. In one single swipe, the display can adjust from as low as 1 Hz to as high as 120 Hz, providing a responsive experience while saving battery. One of its best features is a wild 120 watts hypercharge feature that allows lightning fast charging to its 4600 mAh battery cell. It has 2 modes: the Smart Boost mode, which charges the device to 100% in just 18 minutes, and the Standard mode, which charges the device to 100% in only 24 minutes. Additionally, it has 50-watt wireless turbo charging, which charges the device from 0 to 100% in just 42 minutes, and 10-watt reverse wireless charging. And what's best about this device is the price. You can get the Xiaomi 12 Pro for a second-hand price somewhere around 26,500 pesos. Finally, the Vivo X80, which boasts that Zeiss moniker. Its triple-rear camera system with 15-megapixel main lens is fine-tuned by Zeiss. It uses a dedicated Vivo V1 Plus chip that focuses on improving night mode and cinematic shooting capabilities. Zeiss also provides different scenes, giving you more photography features, so that's a neat feature for those photo hobbyists out there. Moving on to performance, the Vivo X80 is powered by a Dimensity 9000 chipset, which was MediaTek's flagship offering at that time. It is practically on par with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, so you can expect powerful performance out of this machine. It boasts a large 6.78-inch curved AMOLED screen with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 1000 nits peak brightness. In addition, this device is equipped with a 4500 mAh battery that supports fast charging up to 80 watts. This means that you can charge the device quickly and efficiently. We recently saw a listing of the Vivo X80 and it is priced at 25,500 pesos for a second-hand unit. And there you have it, guys. Even though these smartphones are released last 2022, these devices can still be a compelling daily driver as compared to mid-rangers out there that you can buy with almost the same price as this device that we listed earlier, second-hand. But of course, you gotta have to be careful on buying secondhand items, as you really need an eye to see if you are buying a smartphone that is still in good condition or not. Also, be mindful of the clone ones. So there you have it, guys. What's your favorite 2022 phone? Share it in the comment section down below. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you won't miss any future uploads, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, and visit youtube.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Arel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.